Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance tech and business. You are here because your Facebook account has been hacked and the hacker has changed the password, email address, or the phone number that you used in signing up to Facebook. In this video, I'm going to share with you the process or what you should do first when you find yourself in a situation like this. Stay tuned. Hi. This is Cheption Mutai, freelance and business. So when you find out that you cannot log into your Facebook account because probably someone has hacked it, the first step that you need to take as a tech-savvy person is to first check your emails. The first thing that Facebook will do when someone tries to hack your account is to send you an email informing you that someone is trying to log into your account. In that email, you are to confirm if you are the person trying to log into your account or it's an hacker trying to log into your account. If you don't receive this email, it might have been sent to your spam box or to your spam inbox. So make sure that you check everywhere. For example, if you are using Gmail, there is primary, promotions, and social. Also, make sure you check the spam folder. In most occasions, such email goes to the spam folder. So I recently had a case of a friend who had their Facebook account hacked by someone, and that person changed their email and phone number that was in the account. So the most important thing that we needed in order to recover the account was the email that was sent to her. So the person couldn't see the email in their inbox. So we checked everywhere, we couldn't see until we went to the spam folder and we found the email. This was the only thing that we needed in order to recover the account. So the instructions there are just straightforward. You click on them and you will be able to recover your account. If you don't find the email on the spam folder, use the search bar here to search for all emails from Facebook by typing Facebook on the search bar. When you do this, you will see all emails containing the word Facebook. And from here, you might find the email that was sent from Facebook, because sometimes we accidentally delete emails on our inbox and it goes right into the trash folder. I hope this video is helpful to someone who has had their account or Facebook account hacked and the email changed by the person and password changed. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, visit my website on cheption.com to learn more about me and what I offer. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai. Follow me on X at Cheption. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.